friends, Running Kimono here. So today we're doing a little chit chat, taste your choice, Folgers moment to talk about some comments. So this was left for me over on TikTok. I had put a photo of a haul. It wasn't even that big of a monster, but you're the reason why I can't find blank I need at DG. Y'all hoard it. Okay, so fair enough. She does have a point. Like why would somebody do 4 transactions? I will explain that in a second. But if this lady would put this much effort into writing this out, into couponing or trying to do a 5 off of 25 deal, she would be further ahead if she actually put an effort into couponing. If you put 5 minutes into it, you could be amazed how much you can save. But this is what she's going to dedicate with her time. And what I do with these sort of comments is I just delete and block, because why would I have a debate with this person? Because she's already decided and figured out who I am and what I'm about, and I'm a bad person in her mind. So if that's the case, we have nothing in common. You go live your life, I'll go live my life. And if you put 5% of this effort into couponing, you'd have a haul bigger than mine. And this was my transaction. I was like, hey, I did 4 transactions and I paid $13 for all this stuff, which is very impressive. And that's why I sometimes put these brag hauls up, usually on TikTok or Instagram too. But it's impressive what you can do with coupons and what you can bring home and save for your family. Now, I did 4 transactions at 4 different stores because I was looking for Christmas clearance merchandise along with clearance merchandise for the next clearance event. So I wanted to scout some stores around me, and every 10 miles in rural Michigan, there is a Dollar General. So that's what I was doing. So for her to say that I'm clearing out stores, I'm hoarding stuff, no, 4 transactions in 4 stores, and I also had my husband in the car with me, so he's not really a fan of couponing, or he doesn't understand what it's about. So I'm not going to be in the store for 19 hours looking for stuff. At the Dollar General, sometimes not every single item that's in someone's matchup will be in the store. Sometimes it's out, especially right now with the supply chain being as fractured as it is. Not everything's in the store, so you have to get creative. You have to think on your feet and looking at other people's hauls to say, oh, she got this, she got that, he got this, he got that. You can kind of Jenga a deal together, and that's the kind of math that I really enjoy. And to get a $25 basket for $2.75, that's almost 90% off. I think that's kind of awesome. But this lady, instead of wanting to learn or share deals or do couponing at its very basic stuff, like, use a coupon on an item at the Dollar General, she'd rather just complain than learn. And that is just really profound that, if she put this effort into trying to learn the craft or the hobby, she would really pick it up quickly, especially at the Dollar General, because it is such an easy store to coupon at. But it's just like, no, she'd rather just criticize online. And, standing back and extreme criticizing isn't extreme couponing. It's 2 different things. And I don't know why there's so many people that do this over on TikTok. I am clueless to it. And I think a lot of them aren't even couponers. Well, I did put that comment on Instagram, and it got quite a lively debate going. And guys, I get these comments every day. This one just scratched me a certain way. This gentleman, Blake, is a YouTuber, and he's on Instagram as well, all the socials, and he teaches you how to start up an eBay or Amazon store. He's a very, very seasoned Amazon and eBay seller. Like, he does all that reselling stuff. And this is what he wrote. It is pathetic how many people would rather complain than learn. Boom. There it is. That is like Mr. Miyagi wisdom right there. If you put as much effort as to learning a craft than sitting on the sidelines and criticizing everybody for what they're doing and just saying, you're doing this wrong, you're doing this wrong, la 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 la. If you put the effort into learning how the sausage is made, you'd be so further ahead. And I don't get these people. And I usually don't even entertain it because I just have so much on the go that I don't have time to argue with people that have already made an opinion about me. Just move it along, enjoy your life, so on and so forth. But it is very interesting that what Blake is saying here is spot on. This is bingo. This is like the thing that if you put the effort into learning this, you would be so further ahead, and you might actually, this might become your hobby instead of just putting it on couponers and saying that we're hoarders, awful people, that, we say that we donate, but we actually don't. How do you know what people are doing? I hear that a lot too on TikTok. They always want to like virtue signal shame us. And it's like, that is so not right. Anyhow, guys, I know a lot of you enjoy these chit chats. I'm looking forward to reading what you guys have to say in the comments. And I will catch you guys in the next one.